Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 14th of October, 2022. Check this out. The market and AMD came and filled the gap, right? I told you all that numerous times. There was two gaps in the market in AMD all the way back since 2020. We came and filled it. Done. Concluded. Now what's next? Well, let's talk about it real quick. You guys can see I did a price prediction in the market in AMD right here on September 24th. Playing the downside, we are here. You guys can see where I have my support area down here, that the market in AMD has maintained the price right here the last 4 days. I want you all to see how very small those price bars are, but the volume is decent. The volume is heavy. What's going on right now in AMD? The market is buying. So I think that on this video, we're going to play some upside movement in AMD. Congratulations to those who was able to get that 13% out the market. Let's talk real quick, because this horizontal line that I created in the market in AMD is literally where I expected the price to come in and try to hold support. Now, the next area of support though is because I want you all to think that we're done with downward pressure, because AMD emphatically is broken in terms of price. This is going to be the next area, 50. Okay. Now we may see a reprieve. We may see a slight change in the movement in AMD to where we can see a move higher. Okay. Now let's get prepared for that next move higher though. Let me show you all the weekly chart in AMD. Okay. So looking at this, look at the volume for this week compared to last week. And then I want you all to compare the price bar. We're seeing buyers come into the market now in AMD. Okay. Here's AMD on the 2-day chart. You guys can see that, yeah, we're definitely noticing buyers trying to enter the market in AMD. Now, I'm not going to be massively bullish, okay? Let me get that out right now. I'm not looking for price to run up to 150. No, I might just look for it to run up to $65, maybe even 70. The further away we go from where price traded, I'm not too confident in how high it's going to go, because of this massive bearish market that we're seeing in AMD. Okay. We got earnings coming up end of this month. So be prepared for some volatility to either increase running up to earnings or after. Right. So let me look at this on the hourly chart. So yeah, the market currently is giving us a signal that buyers are trying to come in this space right here. Charts don't lie. We can see how steady and level-headed the price has been in AMD. So I'm going to look for the price to go up. Now, it may not be worth putting on a play though, because I want to show you how high I'm looking for the market to go. Right here. Okay, like $63 to $64. But look at that. That's around 8% run up though. Like, that's decent. It's not a home run. It's a single. We could do that. Okay. $64, $65. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Simple and easy. Now, 60 could be a point of resistance. And that will give us 2.25. I mean, we can see the market run to 60 and give us 2.25% move higher. But that's 64. So I'm looking around like here. Okay, so like $63.30 right here. That's where I'm looking for my first price target. So this is gonna be my first price target, $63.30. If you round up, 64. My second one is going to be around 66, and that's how high I'm taking it. That's it. So 63.30 or 64, then the second one is 66. Nothing more outside of that. Okay, so let me get rid of these lines here, and I want you all to get prepared to see the market run down to 50 though in the long term. So let me show you the monthly chart. Okay, well, let me show you the 3 months. Look at that. This is the 3 month chart in AMD. Look at this one right there. This is why I want everyone to be prepared to let the market at AMD run down to 50 in the long term. That's massively weak right there. Okay. So let me go ahead and put this back on the daily chart. You guys got my 2 price targets. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this line here. And our focus is still going to be next down here towards 50. Okay. Play this back to get my price targets. I think it was like $63.30. And then the second one's around 66. All right. Questions, comments, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and I'll see you again on the next one. Hit the like button and subscribe as well.